Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on OPPO Find X9. Okay, first I'll show you how to transfer the data from your previous device into your OPPO, then I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one, and as a last method I'll show you how you can restore the backup from your PC if you have created such backup. Okay, so let's begin with the first method. Click on that arrow. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. Select your language, click on next, select your region, and also click on next. I don't know why on my previous device it has lagged. Click on next. And we have the option that we are interested in. Set up using another device. Now select the device type of your previous phone. In my case, it's Android. And now we need to scan this code using our previous phone. So I need to scan it. Okay. Okay, now I need to draw the pattern that I have on my previous device as a confirmation. Okay, you can see that our OPPO is automatically connecting to the Wi-Fi, so we need to wait a little bit. Getting the phone ready, so let's wait a little bit. Getting account info. Okay, now if you want, you can insert your SIM card or set up your eSIM. I'll skip it because it's always available later in settings. Okay, now copy up some data. Click on next. Once again, we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now from that list, select what things you want to copy. In my case, I want everything except apps. If you have selected everything, click on copy. Okay, you can set your fingerprint and face unlock right in here. I'll skip it, it's always available later, of course. Okay, now scroll down and click on accept. Now we have backup services. They are really useful, so I highly recommend turning them on. Now we need to select our default browser and search engine. In my case, I always select Google Chrome and Google as search engine. Now click on continue, and now we can enable cool method to launch the Gemini by simply saying hey Google. You can turn it on or click on no thanks, it's up to you. You can add your card into Google Pay. I'll skip, click on no thanks. Okay, we are nearly done. Okay, copying is finished, so click on done. Click on more and agree. Select screen color mode, standard or natural. Select navigation method, buttons or gestures. I'll stick to gestures. Alright, we are all set. So click this blue arrow. And now we are ready to use our device. That was the first method. Now I'll show you how to restore the backup from Google One. Okay, and now the second method. When we have possibility to set up our device using another one, we need to click on skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so select your network and type password to it. Click on OK and click on next. Once again, we need to wait. Okay, now click on next and select that you cannot use other device. Click on OK. Okay, and now the most important part. We have possibility to sign in into Google account, and we need to sign in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. Because if you'll be logged in into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your backup. So first type your mail, click on next, and now we'll have to type the password. Then click on next, click on next, click on agree, okay, and now we can choose a backup that we want to restore. In my case, I want that one. Okay, when it comes to Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, those things are synced automatically, and down below we have a list. I want to restore everything except apps. Then click on restore. Okay, and just like in the previous method, we have a simple setup process right now. So you can insert your SIM card right now or set up your eSIM. It's up to you. I'll skip it for now. We can select unlock method or skip it and do it later in the settings. When it comes to Google services, click on accept. Now we have the backup options. I highly recommend turning them on. Click on next, select your default browser. I'll stick to Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. We can leave and get a reminder or continue the setup. I'll continue. Click on continue once again. Now, if you click on turn on, you'll be able to launch the Gemini by simply saying, hey Google. It's up to you. I'll turn it on. Click on no thanks. Scroll down. Click on agree. Select screen color mode, standard or natural. Select navigation method, buttons or gestures. If you want to use the gestures but you don't know how, you can always click on learn. Then click on done. Okay, all set. Click this blue button. And now we are ready to use our device. Okay. Now I'll show you the third method, and I'll show you how to copy your backup from PC into your OPPO. Okay, I have launched my PC, but before we begin, let's click on System and Updates on our device, click on Backup and Reset, click on Backup and Migrate, and click on Local Backup. As you can see, currently we don't have anything right in here. And we don't want to create a backup actually, we want to restore it. But currently, if I would plug in my phone and when I would open up the File Explorer, I wouldn't find very important folder in the internal storage of my device, the backup folder. So let's create a folder by simply creating a new backup. Don't worry, we can always delete that backup later. We just only want to create a folder first. So, when it comes to me, for example, I'll only create a backup of the preference settings, because I only want to create that folder in the internal storage of my OPPO. Okay, we are stuck at 99%. Pretty common thing. Okay, now click on done. Now, we need to connect our phone into our computer using USB-C cable, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, now open the notification bar and click on charging this device via USB and select file transfer / Android Auto. Alright. Now on your computer, open up the File Explorer, click on your OPPO, click on internal shared storage, click on Android, now the data, find the folder backup restore. Now in here we have that backup folder, so enter it, click on data. In here we have that backup that we have just created, but in here on my PC I have that backup that I want to restore. So I need to copy this thing into that data folder. You can see that it's copying. So let's wait a little. We are almost at the end. Okay, so now you can see that it appeared. Everything has been copied successfully. Now on our phone, let's open up Backup and Migrate once again, and you can see that it's this backup that we have copied. So tap on it, click on Start, and the restoring process has now started. So let's simply wait until it's done. Alright, now click on Done, and now everything has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.